we said we were going to move on to showing the user how their hit points and experience points were affected, so that's what we're going to do now. So what we need to do is let them know whether they have chosen wisely or whether they've made a poor choice. Okay, so we've put in our experience points. If they pressed S, they've gained experience points. If they pressed T, then they've actually gained 1 experience point, but also lost a hit point. So let's pop in now exactly how they stand as far as hit points are concerned. And what we would say is we don't have to do any indentations here. So we're going to type in the word print, put in our speech marks inside our brackets, and we will tell them you have, and we'll tell them how many experience points they have. So to do that, we're going to say you have, and then we're going to put in a comma, experience, comma, and then put in here points, and that will show them how many points they have left. If you heard that huff puff, that's my son who's just woken up, and he's very noisy and doesn't realise that you'll hear that on the recording. So also we need to tell them about their hit points now, so we're going to say print, inverted commas, you have, comma, hit points, comma, and then we type in the word points. Okay, hit points left. Let's put in the word hit here so that we know how many hit points they have left. Okay, so it's really easy to do that. If you wanted to, if it was a game where they gained magic or some other skill like a fighting skill, for example, then you could add those in as well. Alright, so run your code, see if it works. I'm going to click on save and run. Here's my adventurer's name, so I'm going to say Arthur. We'll see if it's happy to accept that now. We're still coming up with her, so I will go and check that. You find yourself in a cave, you walk towards a shiny object, you can see my paws happening there. You lean forward to take a closer look. You press P to pick it up, press T to throw a stone at it. So I'm going to press T again, and it tells me now, you've thrown a stone at the shiny object, it explodes, you have 1 point, oops, ponce, I might change that, and you have 4 hit points left. I might explain what this 1 point is, because up here all I've done is I've said you have, and then I've just put in ponce rather than points. Let's put in the I, oops. Okay, so I'm going to say experience points, and you have hit points. Okay, so I'm going to save that, we're going to run it again, and we'll see what happens. We try changing the name. I'm going to call him Gary, and we'll see what happens to this. There you go, welcome Gary to the ghastly gloom of Door Adventure. We've got my paws happening here. There you go, you lean forward to take a closer look, press P to pick it up, press T to throw a stone at it. I'm choosing T. There you go, it explodes. You have 1 experience points, you have 4 hit points left. I'm happy with that. Give that a go, see how you do.